Legal Vices Entertainment, where we celebrate Las Vegas to the fullest. Welcome back. Been gone for a minute. I purchased all of the studio equipment, so pretty soon I'm going to be putting out more music, putting out more videos. I bought a lot of stuff in the beginning of this year, but I didn't have a means of creating any content because, long story short, I got back into truck driving and I left the whole Uber and Lyft thing alone, and I made quite a considerable amount of money. And just recently I've switched jobs because my boss sold his company, and I'm actually making a tad bit more money than I was with him, and it's a lot more stable. So that's, God willing, I see myself being able to get to the point where I'll be able to do this full time, simply because I'll actually have more than enough of a surplus of income to cover me. You can't just jump out there creating content and stuff like that and think you're going to live off of it. But having a CDL is a very lucrative career, especially if you have a good amount of experience under your belt, as I do myself. So I purchased this off of Amazon, and I wanted to just do an unboxing video of it, see how it actually looks when I pull it out. I think it's a lot larger than what it was in the actual ad that they put up there. The ad they put up there looks rather small, but for some reason, because of the size of the box, I actually think it's bigger. Alright, so let's go ahead. Yeah, I was right. I was definitely right. Let's see if I got some scissors sitting up here. And I do. Go ahead, clip that. That's one. Probably easy. Let me see if there's a backside. Always try to keep it simple. Kiss system. Some of these you'll just be able to twist. It's like if I can make it as quick as possible so that you're not sitting there watching me do something trivial. You got other stuff you can do with your time. I'm certain of it. So no point of me prolonging it. Let's try to cover, dot every I and cross every T. Alright. So I think I got a couple of them on there that's still kind of tight. Slide the face part out. There we go. Took a little second, it was a little tight, but Amazon puts everything in there pretty decent. There we go. Surprisingly, it almost seemed like this is a part of it. The way they did it, they actually put it in there pretty secure so that it just ain't flopping around. I'll take this part out. Let's see if I can push it, because the way that they did it, you can actually see. Okay, vice, rip it out. Throw all of that in there. Try to keep the cleanup as predictable as possible. Yeah, like I was saying, I gotta few things that I purchased, you know, I have the habit of ordering a lot of stuff to my P.O. box while I'm on the road, so that every single time I come back home to Vegas, it just feels like the holidays for me, because I end up having to pick up so much stuff out of my P.O. box, ordering directly from Amazon and eBay and sending it straight there. Like all of my studio equipment, everything like that, including this, you know, my Las Vegas motif that I want to have in the background of everything, my entertainment company. And then I guess the final thing is to pull the little plastics off. And so let me see. There's a power source. This is directly underneath here. And of course, it's not running off of batteries. Fortunately for me, I knew not to flick the switch until I did. And let's see how it. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty decent. I like that. Yeah, I like that. It's pretty decent. I can get with that. Pretty nice little display. I'm gonna keep this up here next to my beat machine every time I make beats, just because even if I don't have the light on all the time, it probably would get annoying for some people. But then again, it don't ever turn off in Vegas, so yeah, I like that. I forgot how much I paid for it, but it really wasn't much. I know it couldn't have been no more than probably like $15 to $20. It was worth it. Definitely a decent purchase. Not disappointed at all. In any event, that aside, I'm gonna do another unboxing video of something else that I purchased. You probably could see the projector behind it. I purchased that as well, and I plan on making some of my own videos, obviously. Purchasing a Toon Boom kit so that I'm able to create some animation or some shows. I got, you know, a few artists who are into music and a few others who are into drawing that I've connected with. And there's also a lot of people who have their own music or have their own stuff, and I would like to start hosting certain things either on my YouTube channel or even on Instagram TV, you know, possibly my Patreon. I have a Patreon set up, but it doesn't have any content. When I do, more than likely, a good amount of the content will be public access, just like my YouTube and Daily Motion account and my Twitter. There'll only probably be a handful of things later on in time that won't be available to the public, but, you know, without a fee. But the majority of this stuff I'm going to actually have up there, because I might very well be figuring out a legal and legitimate way to stay, you know, within the bounds of the law. I don't want to go afoul of the law, but I would like to start running some giveaways and stuff like that, or doing a few other things with my channel, because I actually have the time and supple amount of income to actually support it. So definitely keep in touch, you know what I mean? I'm back. I plan on uploading a lot more content and a lot more quality content. And I'll definitely be doing a lot more unboxing videos as I have more than enough time. And, you know, I've been searching Amazon and I have an entire shopping cart full of stuff and things that I've already purchased and have in here right now. About to hook up the speakers and see if I can go ahead and chop up some samples tonight. And I'll be getting back with y'all.